Hi, I'm Andrew Morgan, an intellectual property attorney with McKee, Voorhees & Sees. Intellectual property is actually one of the most valuable assets that a business has. A lot of people don't think about it. They think about it in terms of how do I sell my products, how my products are performing, do I have a better product? But they don't think about their logo, their branding. They don't think about the idea behind those products, all of which can be protected. So there's four main types of intellectual property. The first is trademarks, which many people have heard of, but that would include things like your name, your logo, but it could also include lesser known things such as your product packaging, for instance. It can include the colors that you use to represent yourself. If you have a thematic color, you might be able to protect that. We also have copyrights, which many people are also familiar with. This would cover things like images, videos, but it can also include your website, for instance, the homepage, the layout of your website. Third is patents, and that's for inventions, inventions such as new machines that you built. They could be machines that you've built to help you in your business. They could be products that you sell. They could also be processes that you create to make those products. All of these things can be protected by patents. And finally, we have trade secrets. Trade secrets are those things that, as a business, you withhold that information from your competition because it gives you an advantage. This can include things such as customer lists. It could also include a recipe that you might have if you're a restaurant. It could also include any other formula that you might have that may not fit under another category of intellectual property, but if it gives you a business advantage by being secret, you can protect it. Honestly, the sooner the better. The sooner you start before your business has fully developed and your reach has grown, the easier it is to make sure that you don't have headaches down the road. For instance, someone else could register the name of your business before you do it, even though you've already been using it beforehand. While there might be ways to protect that property, the costs to do so increase substantially. Early protection can save you a lot of time, stress, and money that's better spent growing your business. That IP isn't just for national corporations or businesses. Small businesses can benefit sometimes the most out of protecting their IP. Every business has something worth protecting, whether it's your brand, identity, your marketing materials, the inventions that you made in furtherance of your business, or even something as simple as a tagline. All of these things are worth protecting.